I'm filming her, not you. Miley, are you attacking Bubba? He's just gnawing on your hand.
More like biting, but ow.
I
Ow. That does not hurt at all.
like how she's just enjoying gnawing on it. Daily life of Miley. Oh my gosh, where'd she go? She's under the pillow.
Uh-oh.
It's a shame we all hate Miley.
I love you.
Bite him, Miley. Bite him. Good girl. It's my attack dog.